Hey you guys, Happy New Year. I wish you guys all the absolute best for this new year coming. So in today's video, we are testing out these designer nail foils. We got some Louis, some Gucci, some Dior, some Chanel. So the top row, I'm going to be testing them out on some polished nails. I've already gone ahead and polished them. And then the bottom row, they're supposed to be a little more opaque. So I'm going to test them out just on plain nails and see how it goes. So I'm also going to be testing it out with my makartt nail foil glue. So all you do is apply a thin layer on the nails, well, a nice even coat, not even just a thin layer, a nice even coat. And you're going to cure it in the lamp for 60 seconds. And what I've learned is once you cure it, kind of let it cool down for at least 30 seconds because it actually helps it stick on a whole lot better. So first up, we have this Louis Vuitton print in this light brown, almost kind of peachy brown color, if that makes sense. And I'm going to be applying it onto a peach nail because I feel like it would really pop, but let's see. And then we have this really pretty gold Gucci print. I'm also going to put this on a peach nail as well. And then next we have this black Louis print, which I'm going to put on a gray nail because I thought it would really pop. And you guys, I am so sorry, but the store that I bought these off of on AliExpress, they no longer have them. But if you happen to see anywhere that has, on AliExpress that sells designer nail foils, they're pretty much all the same, I find. Or if you see any of those small nail supply businesses, they tend to have these because they bulk order them and they'll be just the same as well too. And then we got some more Gucci print in a light brown color, and I'm going to put this on this beige tan color because, ooh, it's cute. And then we have this Chanel print in this brown color, and I'm going to be putting it on the same beige nail as the previous Gucci one. So this is what they are looking like. They came out super cute and I love it because you can play around with any color combination and just put the transfer foil on top. But y'all, I'm gonna make some full sets real soon, so make sure you subscribe. And like I mentioned before, I'm going to be using just plain nails to use the transfer foils that's supposed to be more opaque. Keyword supposed to, because y'all make sure you use a base coat of color under these transfer foils because you're going to see my fails because it just was not working. Like you'll see right now because once you put it on, it's like there's creases, not everything was sticking, and I did the exact same method that I did with the other ones. Only thing, there was no color. Like you can see through the nail and through the foil, so you definitely would want to have a base coat of like black underneath. That way, even if it does leave patches, at least there is some color so it kind of blends in. But yeah, make sure you guys put a base coat of color underneath. But hey, we're testing them, so that's what this is for. But yeah, these are what they're looking like. Super patchy, not what you would want to wear. But thank you guys so much for watching. Give this video a huge thumbs up and make sure you subscribe. And I'll see you guys in the next one. Bye, guys.